Pira na naman.
Sunog, oh. DPWH. Sabi pa ni Paulo Contes, may bago daw meaning ang DPWH eh. Daming project, walang hollow blocks.
Walang hollow.
Ayan, DPWH na sunog, guys. Oo.
1070 positive alarm. Location DPWH building. EDSA Kamuning. Likewise, responding unit double time.
Dami pang project.
Magamit na ang ano niyan, yung fire drill ng mga empleyado dyan.
Oh, dito, grabe pa naman. Dito na singit yung ano.
Bakit yung school naman? Uy, yung school.